McKee Street in San Jose is being repaved this year. It might look like a train from the air, but these ground units are all part of a cold-in-place recycling system.
Cold-in-place recycling is where we have a grinder, a large machine that takes the existing asphalt, it grinds it up. We inject cement, water, and oil, and we go through a machine and it goes back down through a paver, and we put it back down on the existing surface, and we come through and we put 1.5 to 2 inches of new asphalt on top of it.
San Jose has 2,400 miles of roadway. Decades of insufficient funding have led to hundreds of millions of dollars in deferred maintenance, alleviated somewhat this year because of California's new SB 1 funding.
Our paving program this year is going to be 100 miles all in all. Our resurfacing program is about 23 miles of that, and that's been made possible very much by SB 1 money. This year and in years moving forward, thanks to SB 1 funding, we're looking at about $50 million for paving, as long as funds like SB 1 stick around. But we would need close to $100 million each year for 10 years to catch up on our backlog and bring all of our streets up to good condition.
Since 2011, other than pothole repairs and emergency repairs, we haven't been able to pave local neighborhood streets in San Jose. However, some streets fall in what's called our major road network, and SB 1 money has gone towards paving that major roadway network this year. This is an example here, 16th Street. It's part of our major bikeway network. Yeah, with SB 1's support and some funding from other sources, it's gonna allow us to be able to pave residential streets again. We've got quite a backlog, and we're hoping next year to actually do a roughly 250-mile program with that funding from SB 1.
I think it's important that we let people know where their tax dollars are going. Certainly our big 100-mile paving program this year has been noticed. We've been doing a lot of community outreach with mailers, signs, social media, and so we want to make sure that people are aware that this is SB 1 funding paying for these programs.
San Jose will lose that funding if Prop 6 is passed by voters in November. Prop 6 would repeal SB 1. There are no announced plans to replace that transportation funding.